Hey guys, my name is Danish and welcome back to my channel, and today is the part 3 of the wireless network and networking series, and today I'm going to talk about a small little metal box. So let's just get started. So this metal box is a Gigabit switch. So it's a TP-Link 5-port Gigabit switch, the model number being a TLSG105S. So it's a pretty small thing and it has a pretty large footprint and does a lot for my network, and today I'm going to talk about it and why I bought it. So the unboxing was pretty normal. Just open up the box, there's a pamphlet over there on the top with the general instructions, and it's not really a configuration tool that you can tinker and make do with. It's just plug and play. You plug in the power on one side and plug in the Ethernet on any one of these ports and connect multiple devices to each other, and this is a solution to a problem that most people have. So follow me on this. So usually the router gets stayed in the hall, or if the second router also puts in the dining room or somewhere, but in your room you are either gonna have to accept to just use Wi-Fi or pull one wire through the wall like I have done and connect it to my main system. But what do I do with my laptop or another laptop, or if I buy a NAS, or if I build a server rack? I'm gonna need more ports than just the one wire that I've pulled through to my room to get wired Ethernet access, because we all know that gaming on wireless is not really that good. Wired connection is always the go-to connection. So I bought this switch, and there are different variants. You can just get a 10/100, so that just gives you a 100 megabit switch, which will cap out 100 megabits from each port to each port. But this is a gigabit switch, so this is 1000 megabits, so it's around 120 megabytes per second transfers that you can do with this device connected to systems that have a gigabit port. So I have this USB adapter with my MacBook that I have made a video on already. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it up here. You can go check it out. I have the box over there as well. So this is gigabit capable, and my main PC is 2.5 gigabit capable, so a lot higher than gigabit, and the transfer speeds were pretty normal. It was maxing out at a gigabit per second, slightly less, about 980 megabit per second. That's really close to a gigabit. So it was a solution that is just meant to connect two devices together and also to the Ethernet as well. I have this set up with my main router, which is the C60, my secondary router, which is the C50, which is downstairs, and this connects to a port on my C60. I think I've connected it to 2, and my main PC is at 1, the laptop goes on number 3, and I still have 2 empty ports for this. And this is a pretty sturdy thing, hard metal box, and yeah, it works, and it has extended my wired capabilities of using my devices, because the wireless is not that great in my room as well. For a smartphone, yeah, it doesn't matter that much. I don't have that high of use case, but if I'm accessing data from my system on my laptop wirelessly, it's gonna take a lot of time to copy it or edit off of it or just browse and stream through it. So getting this small box was a really big help to increase the capability and increase the speed, and also by then reduce time usage for copying or editing on the go, or editing through local remote storage from my laptop or whatever it is. It's a really small gadget, and it is a really helpful gadget. And yeah, these are my first impressions of this device. I don't know how long this will last or how much beating it can take. It came with 4 rubber feet that I've attached. It came with a power cable. It did not come with any Ethernet cable, so you have to buy your own Ethernet cables. I had a couple of Cat 6 cables lying around, so I used those. I didn't have to really go and invest more into cables as well, so that's a bit of a savings for me. But you might have a bit of a different case, and you might have to buy cables as well for this. And yeah, even a normal person can just buy this and add ports to their hardware. Like if you just want to add more ports to your room, or you want to add more ports, just connect more stuff all together, you can use this for printers. I've seen these used in print shops as well, where they connect the computer to all of the printers in the shop, and small scale industry, small scale business who use switches like this, because these are unmanaged. You don't have to configure anything, you don't have to attach anything. It does all of the communication, and all of the things are taken care on its side and I don't have to touch anything, and that's the best case scenario for this. And yeah, it's a small gadget that I can connect to basically everything I have. So my small tiny router, my main router, my laptop, my phone, and if I have another laptop I can connect to that. If I need to connect a phone to the Ethernet using this and then a OTG cable on top and connect it with this and get wired connection to my phone, I can do it. So yeah, it's a small gadget, but it's a really important, useful one for my case. It might not be for your case, but hopefully whoever are looking to improve or increase Ethernet ports in their surroundings and get a bit of a faster speed, you can go for it. I'll link it in the description below along with the routers that I've shown. You can go check them out. Make sure you go check out the links and see if you require any of these. Yeah, I know I'm a bit late. The sale happened a while ago and this video is not close to any sale, so if you want to wait, you can wait and go buy there. And I'm rambling, so I'll just end this video here. And so if you like this video, give this video a like, get subscribed to my channel and ring the bell icon to receive notifications on all of the future videos. Comment down below if I missed anything or if you have any doubt about this switch, and if you have any questions, I'll try to answer those queries there, or also along with any networking questions are also gonna be accommodated, so feel free to ask any doubts you have over there. And follow me on my social media channels for more of fun content that I make. And as always, stay home, stay safe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.